Okay, so the unit that I'm going to review today is the outre butter lace unit number 3. I have it in the color number 1. It says it's pre-plucked and it has HD lace. Let me take it out. I already looked at the lace. I put it on a wig cap. It really does not need to be plucked any more than it is. When they tell you it's pre-plucked, they were not lying about that. The cap construction is 2 combs where your temple is, and then a comb in the back with adjustable straps for you to use. Right off the bat, I can tell that this lace color is too light for my skin tone, but I never mind when the lace is too light, because if it's too dark, you can't make it lighter, and when it's light, you can use your lace tint to make it match whatever skin tone you have. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the construction. I mean, not the construction, but the way the cap the lace is, and you can already see that it's pre-plucked. I wanted to point out that you really don't want to I wouldn't remove any more hair, only because it has the lace, and then right behind it is, you can start to see the tracks. I don't know if I could, I'm trying to get y'all to see, but the tracks are like right here. So if you over pluck it, you might run the risk of having the tracks show. But all in all, it does come with baby hairs, and it is pre-plucked. The frontal is not bulky at all, so I just wanted to show you guys that. Okay, right here I'm showing you the lace tint that I'm using from Even New York in medium brown. I'm just gonna spray the lace to my liking. It smells good. It doesn't have like an aerosol smell. I'm just spraying it on my skin to show you that it's a pretty good match for my skin tone. You can always use more coats for a darker finish and a more lighter coat for a lighter finish. It doesn't show on camera, but it's not as ashy as it looks. So I'm gonna be using Ghost Bond today. I do. Okay, with the glue, I had to go in with more than one layer. Those first little dots I made was definitely not enough glue to hold down the unit. If you are concerned about your edges, you can use a ball cap method. I just find my installs look better without it. I'm just gonna put on the wig and see what happens. I can still see like the white residue, but that was just from the way I put it on. I should have did like a thin layer and like really smooth it out, and then it would have dried clear. But I went ahead and put some Got2b glued spray on top of that, just so the lace could adhere better. And I don't like the Got2b glued spray because you're gonna see it leaves like a white cast on the lace. I'm just taking like an eyebrow razor and using like a jagged motion to trim the excess lace from the hairline. There was some excess lace around the ear tabs, like on the sides. I got the front pretty good. You'll see it coming up. I decided to switch to scissors because it was too hard with the eyebrow razor. But you can see like that white line from the Got2b glue spray. Like that wasn't there before I used the Got2b glued spray. But now I know for next time not to use it. But I put some translucent powder on that just to kind of make it go away. I'm gonna take out some baby hairs to try to hide the lace a little bit better. I'm just taking a thin layer and trimming it with the razor. And baby hairs are like, you can do them however you want to do them. Like, it's not like you can have like the Whoville swirly swirl type edges. You can have no edges. It's up to you. Foam and Shine, Rapid Shine Foam and Lotion for the baby hairs. I want to take out more. All right, so I'm just finishing making some more baby hairs. I added some translucent powder just to get rid of that white cast from the Got to Be Glued, and it did help quite a bit, so I'm glad about that. Then I'm taking the foam wrap and putting it on my edges, and then I'll shape them how I want, and then lay it down with like a wrap strip. Cut off this rapid stuff and see what happens. Ooh. This is a moment of truth, guys. Okay, don't ignore that side. We know that the lace is, I'm just not gonna put no more glue. Okay. Wow. Okay. So that's not that bad for a beginner. I just gotta glue down the sides, but I could like tuck a little behind my ear. I definitely like how the mousse holds down the baby hairs. Spray that with the tint. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I do have a little bit of lace. All in all, it is not horrible. I should have did this side a little bit better, but you know, this part right here looks really good. I like how the lace tint, like how it blend in better with my skin. Other than that, I really like how it turned out. It's not horrible. It's just this side that's killing me right now. But forget that side. But yeah, it looks good from the top and right here. I mean, you know, this is a beginner install. Don't come at me too hard in these comments because you will get blocked. But just let me know some tips, all my fellow wig layers out there. Just let me know some tips if you notice any mistakes that I made that would help me improve. Please let me know down below. All in all, I do like this unit. It does mimic virgin hair. The parting space is nice. It comes pre-plucked and it's cheap and affordable. Like I said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.